What's going on, everyone? Seth Miranda here, coming to you from Las Vegas for WPPI 2025. This, the Adorama booth number 824. And you know how we go with these things. The live demo area. That means on the spot, live shoots, live education, free for you from amazing people like myself, or Susan Stripling, Lindsay Adler, Jonny Edwards, Anya Anti. The list keeps going on. It's a stacked roster this time around. But right next to them, personal shoppers. So if you're trying to figure out what's right for you gear-wise, instead of you getting frustrated with what the options are and not getting what's right for you, they're here to walk you through to make the best decisions you can with the tools you're trying to get to create things you want to create. Well, let's say you already got some stuff and you're looking to upgrade. Great. We got trade and used in here, which means that you can show them what you're looking to trade in to upgrade to what you want, and they're giving 8% value on top of what the value of the trade would normally be, which is really nice to have. Any extra dollar to get you what you want is always good with me. And Printique is here. And this is hands-on, being able to see what is printed, how it's printed, actual substrates, what your options are for getting your shots from camera to the actual real world as a print or a book or anything like that. And of course, Flashpoint's here, Glow, the house brand for Adorama. So if you're looking to build a kit out and you're not sure what to go with or what will be right for you, they will walk you through that. But more importantly, the techs are here. So if you're looking to get one-on-one with how to use it or something you already own, this is right here for you guys. So there's so much going on at booth 824 here at WPPI in Las Vegas. And don't forget about the big thing at trade shows, free stuff, giveaways, raffles. I'm not kidding, it's really good stuff. We're talking about hundreds and hundreds of dollars of free gear. I'm talking about SSD drives, Manfrotto backdrop system, GoPro 13s. It's crazy how much they got with brand partners in this booth for you to grab for free. With all these types of things going on, you're crazy if you don't stop by booth 824 Adorama right here at WPPI 2025. If you want to check out any more about this, check out the description below for more information. Hopefully we'll see you at a trade show soon, if not here. I'll see you next time.